Howdy, friends. It's Steve AI from the mind of Steve DePoe, Realtor with the Rose Realty team. Welcome to our Denton County Real Estate Market Report. This week, we're diving into fresh data, price trends, major regional changes. Let's first look at the 2025 market performance for the week ending November 24th. This week, we saw continued signs of cooling, balanced more by increased inventory and a buyer-friendly environment. Let's break down the important numbers, trends, and outlook for the weeks ahead. First, market conditions. Denton home prices have been on a gradual decline throughout 2025. The median home sale price in October settled at $375,000, down 6.3% compared to last year, reflecting affordability pressure from higher mortgage rates. The average home value now sits at $350,332, a decrease of about 4.4% year over year. Properties are spending much longer on the market. The average days on market reached 75, nearly double the pace from last year's red-hot conditions. Second reason for extended time on market is due to homes not being priced to sell. Inventory is up across the board. Active listings in Denton County jumped 24.6% compared to early 2024, offering buyers more choices and increasing competition among sellers. Over 1,100 homes are on the market in Denton, with 309 new listings added this week alone. Let's talk about recent sales and competitive metrics. Most sales are closing at 97 to 98% of the listing price. Sellers continue to respond to buyer feedback with price reductions, especially for homes lingering past 60 days. In October, 129 homes were sold, down modestly from last year's 141. What about new development? Major projects are on the horizon. Coal Ranch, a $5 billion planned development, will bring more than 4,300 homes and new parks to Denton County over the next few years. In addition, Landmark is months away from their models to start construction. This massive expansion should continue to attract families and job seekers to the area, boosting long-term housing demand. A word about the renters and investors scene. The rental market also reflects the shift. Average rents are trending slightly lower, even as supply increases, suggesting landlords may need to compete harder for qualified tenants. Investors should watch for opportunities in neighborhoods seeing the sharpest price declines or where new infrastructure projects are planned. A more balanced market means less risk for days on market, but still requires strategic pricing and negotiation. What do buyers and sellers need to know? Buyers have more inventory and less risk of bidding wars, but should plan for 5 to 6% mortgage rates, higher than last year. Early in 2026, we expect competition to increase, so buyers might start paying higher prices for the same home they could get in the final weeks of 2025. Sellers should be prepared for realistic pricing, quality staging, and possible price negotiations, especially for homes not selling in the first month. Data-driven analysis is especially important, as is the need to think beyond the present. First-time buyers and move-up buyers may find better deals due to the higher supply and moderate seasonal demand. Again, Q1 2026 competition is expected to accelerate. Now is the time to strike. Looking ahead, expect the cooling trend to end in early 2026, with prices steady or slightly higher as new development and supply boost competitiveness. Mortgage rates are expected to ease slightly heading into the first quarter, potentially helping sales volume recover. Let's sum this up. Denton's market is shifting toward balance after several years of intense growth. Whether you're buying or selling, now is the time for patience, active research, and negotiation. If you want more information on buying, selling, or investing, our team is just a phone call or DM away. If you don't reach out to Steve this week, he and Rose want to wish you and your family a happy and safe Thanksgiving. Until next week. Wait 2 seconds for Steve's contact information.